washing out my containers, you know, for the flour, for my bread flour. Because the last loaf I made wasn't very good at all. It just, the bread didn't rise, and well, it rose, so not a lot. And I am wondering if maybe it's because the flour was in the garage for a little while and it affected the gluten. So anyway, I've got some more coming with my next shop. So I'm just washing out the containers now. Already, so there's no sort of remnants of the other flours in there. Gone, yeah, he did say goodbye, but you probably didn't hear him. You just didn't hear him, I don't think.
Oh, probably in the garage.
He was in the garage. Oh gosh, it's too quick. Right, I now need to do some washing. Get some washing on. So, I'm in my jammies and dressing gown, and I'm staying that way today because my back is quite painful today. The last few days it's not been too bad, I've been able to tolerate it, and then last night I had like the wee yab before you go to bed and got up off the loo, and it was just agony again, and it's still not great today, but let's try and keep these, what do they say, keep the cogs oiled, is that right? Anyway, let's keep them moving. Right, I've got washing I need to sort out. Got another couple of loads to do there. If you've heard my washing machine lately, you'll know it's probably on the way out, honestly. We've already had it like repaired once. The drum, I think the belt keeps slipping. So I've had it done once, and it's one of the blooming integral ones, which is a pain. Really wish it wasn't integral, but it is. So I'm going to get the washing on now. Wipe down.
Okay.
The dresser, a bit of a wipe down. Right. Oh, let's take it with me. Oh, do we?
Do that along with it.
Oh, do we?
Yeah, let's go on your board.
Oh, okay. I'll take those off then.
I don't know.
Yeah, I will. Can I just let me stand to the bin? Do I have a tissue just to wipe that round with? These are just little roses, dried roses that I've had from the kids. In here, this is where I've put like my lipstick of the days for like the week. So I thought I'd just sort of go through those quickly with you, the ones I've worn. So I had the Anastasia Beverly Hills, that one. I think I wore that a couple of times during the week in Plumeria. This is a L'Oreal Shot of Sun number 247. It's like a very nudie, sort of almost sort of peachy, very pretty colour. This one is a Laura Geller lipstick, Italian marble one, in the shade Naples. That's a nice nudie one as well. This one is by Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. You can see there's a bit of a theme. This is a Bobbi Brown in the colour Ice Brown, I-S-E brown. It's been quite used quite a bit. That's another nice autumnal colour. This one is by Dolten and it's the Lip Genius. Another nude. Lip Pencil by MAC, and this is in the shade Soar. And then finally a lip gloss. This is a Dolten one, is it? Yeah, Dolten. It doesn't actually, does it say what the shade is? Let's have a look. God, it's hard to read if they do. Oh yeah, Chocolate. And it's kind of quite a sort of, you see, like it is sort of almost like a purpley browny colour. Very pretty. So these I will take upstairs and empty it, ready for my lipstick of the day for the next week. The other thing I'm going to be doing today is getting ready for like decorating for Halloween. So you'll see a bit of that probably on a different video actually. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, okay.
No, there's a side now, you see. Yeah, I opened that one. Looks like I should stick it down.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to do a job before you in the kitchen, right? I was thinking, you know what you should do with these? Well, you should think about that, making your own spice up like a bit chilli, a bit of
Yeah,
right,
something
right,
like
give it a good old mix up.
Call it LA
Like that.
Spice.
Yeah, eh?
LA Spice.
Yeah.
Spice?
No, no vice. It's fine.
Yeah, not Vice. We don't have Vice.
Yeah.
Rustic, isn't it?
Yeah, we like it.
Yeah. This is all clean because I cleaned it all out. And the table should be nice and clean underneath as well, because we haven't used it.
Really cool bit.
And you've got, that's it. So, shall I go in that way?
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah. There we go, that can go away. Come out later. I need to get one of these for like Christmas that comes out every Christmas.
Yeah.
One that we just throw away every year.
Yeah.
This is the new one that I've got from Next. It's pumpkin white clean tablecloth. It's actually cotton, but it's just coated, so it's really nice. I mean, it wasn't cheap, I know, but it will last me. It will last me to see my days out. So it is a fabric one, but it is sort of wipeable. Ooh. Yeah, it's cotton,
Yeah.
but it's got a coating to it that you can wipe over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Quite a lot hanging down
Yeah,
there,
so
so
go that way.
that way there.
A bit more. That's it.
What's it like there now? That's fine, isn't it?
That's probably the middle.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a nice one.
That's it. That's nice, actually.
Yeah. I'll push it actually so it goes against the wall so
Yeah,
it
holds
doesn't
it.
move really. I'll wipe the night off.
I'll get rid of this.
There we go.
Oh, it's fresh water. Fresh water.
So I've just done like a little display there on the table with the salt and pepper set and yellow pumpkin aside and just a couple of those little homeland pumpkins at the side, and I think at night when this little lamp's on it'll look pretty. When the shop comes I'll be able to put some more fruit in the basket, and I need to get all my pumpkins down now and pop them around the house.